Two developers built a network to decentralize artificial intelligence. They did it under a fake name, with no investors, no funding round, and no company behind it. Then it got hacked for $8 million. 2019, a white paper surfaces online. It's titled, Bittensor, a peer-to-peer intelligence market. The author is listed as Yuma Rao. Nobody knows who Yuma Rao is, because Yuma Rao doesn't exist. It's a pseudonym. Like Satoshi Nakamoto, like every cypherpunk before them. Behind the pseudonym are two people. Jacob Steeves, a Canadian machine learning researcher from the University of Victoria, and Ala Shabana, an Egyptian-Canadian computer scientist, his co-founder, his equal. They don't start a company, they don't register an LLC, they don't pitch venture capitalists over cold brew in San Francisco. No pre-mine, no ICO, no insider allocation. They just write the code, publish it open source, and launch. Here's what they built. Bittensor is not a chatbot. It's not a token with a cute logo. It's a network of networks. Each network is called a subnet. Each subnet specializes in one AI task: text generation, image recognition, data scraping, protein folding. Miners compete inside each subnet. They run AI models. They produce outputs. Validators score those outputs for quality. The best miners earn Teo, the native token, produce intelligence, get paid, produce garbage, get nothing. This is proof of intelligence, not proof of work, not proof of stake, proof that your model is actually useful. By 2024, there are 32 active subnets, thousands of miners across the globe, a market cap touching $10 billion. July 2nd, 2024, a Tuesday, nothing special about it until wallets start draining. A malicious package has been uploaded to PyPI, the Python package index, the place every developer trusts blindly. It targets Bittensor users specifically, steals private keys, $8 million in TAO, vanished. The team does something drastic. They halt the entire blockchain. Full stop. No transactions, no transfers, nothing moves. The chain stays frozen for days. Crypto Twitter erupts. Decentralized, they say, with air quotes. The team patches the vulnerability, restarts the chain, but you can't unring that bell. The critics have their ammunition. Enter Barry Silbert, CEO of Digital Currency Group, the man behind Grayscale, the biggest name in institutional crypto. Grayscale launches a Bittensor Trust, the Grayscale Decentralized AI Fund. Institutional money now has a front door. Teo's price climbs. Attention follows money, it always does, but the Bittensor community splits. Some celebrate mainstream validation, the big leagues. Others see a Trojan horse. Silbert's track record is complicated. The Genesis bankruptcy, the GBTC discount debacle, SEC scrutiny. Now he's backing the decentralized AI narrative. Some call it validation, others call it capture. 2026, the All-In Summit, the biggest tech podcast in the world, puts on its annual conference. Jensen Huang takes the stage, the CEO of NVIDIA, the most important man in the AI supply chain. His company makes the chips that power every major AI lab on Earth, every GPU training GPT, every rack at Google DeepMind, his silicon. He praises Bittensor by name, calls the subnet architecture interesting. From Jensen Huang, that word is a standing ovation. Think about what that means. The man selling shovels during the gold rush just endorsed the people trying to redistribute the mine. Right now, 5 companies control most of the world's advanced AI. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, Meta AI, XAI. They decide what AI can say, what it can't, who gets API access, who gets cut off, what gets censored, what doesn't. Bittensor's bet is different. What if AI was a public utility? What if intelligence was open, permissionless, and owned by no one? No CEO deciding your chatbot's personality. No board meeting voting on safety guidelines behind closed doors. No kill switch. Just math, just incentives, just an open market for intelligence running on a blockchain that anyone can join. It's been hacked. It's been mocked. It's been called a scam, a meme, and a pipe dream. But it's also the only project in crypto where the product is intelligence itself. Not a token, not a DAO vote. Intelligence. Bittensor is either the most important project in crypto or the most elaborate science experiment ever run on a blockchain. The answer probably depends on whether you think AI should be owned by everyone or controlled by 5 companies. Subscribe for more.